Hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can change your domain name onto Shopify. You won't believe that this is how simple. I'm gonna show you right now. So first of all, you have to head over to your Shopify dashboard, this icon, this site, and from there you can see the settings option at the bottom here. Just simply tap onto settings, and from there you can see this store details option. Tap onto it, and here you can see this basic information, and at the right side of basic information you can simply look at this edit option, which is blue color text. Tap onto edit, and from there you can change your store name, your legal company or name. You also change your store category, and simply tap onto save at the top right corner, and that's it. This is how you can change your Shopify name. So make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comments. And if this video helped you, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care. Goodbye.